I'm Drew Sutphen. Welcome. Let's go take a look at our new facility. Now you've seen the front offices, let's see how we build a Sutphen. This part of the facility doubles Sutphen's cab and chassis manufacturing capability compared to the previous operations. Now that you've seen the facility in its entirety, we look forward to welcoming you and your department to Sutphen's new 185,000 square foot manufacturing facility. See you here.